Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson, Repetitive Motion Injuries. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Repetitive motion injury, or RMI, is an injury to a part of the body that is caused by performing the same motion over and over again, straining the body part. Some common examples of RMI are tendinitis, carpal tunnel syndrome, bursitis, tennis elbow, Raynaud's syndrome, trigger finger. As we go through this lesson, we'll discuss the types of RMI in more depth, common causes of RMI, and how to prevent RMI. Most employees will experience a task or an assignment that involves repetitive motion. Over time, this motion can cause moderate to severe injury, so please pay attention to any injury you may be susceptible to in your job. Tendinitis is an inflammation of the tendon. Tendinitis can be caused by acute or repetitive traumatic elongation to the tendon or repetitive stress through overuse of the joint. Bursitis. Bursae are small pouches or sacs that are found over areas where friction may develop and serve to cushion or lubricate the area between tendon and bone. Bursitis is an inflammation of a bursa sac. Bursitis can also cause reduction in or loss of motion at the affected joint. Bursitis usually occurs in the shoulder, knee, elbow, hip, heel, and thumb. Raynaud'S syndrome, sometimes called white finger disease, is associated with severely vibrating tools. The symptoms are loss of color in the fingers, reduced blood flow, sensitivity to cold, numbness, and the inability to sense heat. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a nerve problem of the hand.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.